We are going to continue to see that snow mainly moving through southern Wisconsin as we head into this evening, and still noticing some moderate to heavier bands of snow moving through as we head closer to midnight. And that snow is going to continue to inch up a little bit farther north as we head throughout the night. Most of that out of the picture by 6 a.m., but farthest southeastern Wisconsin, and for those along the lakefront, could still be seeing some snow very early Sunday morning before clearing out as we head to Sunday afternoon. And that's a closer look at your news and weather in 90.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back. So today we're getting some snow. They're saying a lot of it, and when I say a lot of it, they're saying like 5 inches and they're closing down everything. I don't understand. We don't get a lot of snow here anymore, it seems like, and everyone's afraid of it, but not saying that it isn't dangerous to be out and about when it's snowing, but we're pretty much should be used to this by now, at least. So, film. Now I know in my last 2 videos ago, my camera malfunctioned and I only got 1 shot out of 12 shots that I should have got. But hopefully, I'm gonna shoot some 35. TMAX 400. 36 exposures. It's a lot of photos to be taken. I'm probably not going to go through all of them. This might be a 2-day thing. But with conditions outside right now, I think film is going to be the best bet, and black and white. You're going to learn to find out that I am a huge fan of black and white. I love black and white photos. I don't know why, but it's just something that just seems so pure to me. I just love it. So I shoot a lot of black and white. I'll be shooting my Canon EOS 1. It's just a SLR. Not like the most modern of the Canons, but I really love it because it does seem pretty modern. It's almost like having your normal camera. It's just film. It has everything that a normal camera really has, just that it shoots 35 millimeter. Plus it shoots EF lenses, and I'm a Canon fanboy, and I have most of all my lens and everything that I own is Canon, other than a few other film cameras. But so that made it easy. It's my first film camera that I bought since I really got into photography. Just because I already had all the lenses that I can throw on it, and I thought 35 obviously is going to be the easiest way to get into film. So that's that. Hopefully I'm going to let it snow for a little bit and maybe start sticking around. It's very light right now, but it is starting to stick on some trees and whatnot, so I'll wait a while, eat my breakfast, and get out on the trails and see what I can find. Till then, see you on the trails. All right, well, got everything packed up. It is actually really coming down. So yeah, this is awesome, but did not want to travel too far away from home because the roads suck. Even though I have a 4x4 with big tires, it's not very fun to be driving in this, actually. So I am shooting very locally. This is a nice little trail, but it's wooded, and I know I've gotten shots here before, so we're gonna get some shots today for sure. I love the atmosphere. It is looking quite awesome. I'm very excited. Haven't snowed here in a long time, it seems like, so yeah. So I got something framed up already. It's just a snowy path, walkway. I'm gonna flip this around. This is what I got going on here. Little scene going on. I'm at what am I at? F11 at 40th of a second. Got a 2-second timer. Gotta love that sound. All right. Yeah. This video is gonna be a run and gun situation. So it's just how it's gonna be. It's coming down. Like, I'm afraid for my equipment actually. So like I said, it's gonna be quick and dirty, but hopefully these shots are gonna be awesome. So I found a little shelter to kind of help me get my gear out in a nice unrushed fashion. Kind of just reaching here, but there's this little swing set, and for some reason I want to shoot it. Just like a childhood photo is what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna try this. All right, so I got this camera set up for autofocus. do a depth of field kind of thing. Got the aperture at 2.8. We'll see where my metering will get me to. I am pushing the film to 800, just one stop. Add a little more contrast, more grain. I think it looks really cool. So yeah, let's do this real quick. Keeping the camera pointing down. And hopefully I'm not making tracks in what I want to shoot. So it's got me at a shutter speed of 250th of a second, which is awesome. Doing this handheld. I'm gonna walk up to this and that looks cool. I didn't really check my metering. All right, that's good. I kind of like that. A little depth of field, swing into the forest area. Yeah, it's really coming down. It's awesome. Love it, but it's making it really hard to shoot. All right, moving on. All right, got another little scene here going on. Just another trail in the woods scene. I'm at f11 at a third of a second. Focused at the far end of the tree. Down the path. Everything should be in focus. Going to wipe the lens down before I take the shot. 2-second timer. Any woodland scene like this, I love. It just looks awesome. All right, I think I'm gonna get out of here. It's getting dark. I might have a off the street shot that I'm looking at, maybe shooting on film. We'll see though how ambitious I feel. I'm getting pretty soaking wet. As you can see, the beard is covered in snow. All right. In the beginning of the video, I thought the Weather Channel was going to be way off and be like 3 inches of snow at max. Well, they actually underplayed the storm and we got 10 inches of snow that evening. As you can see, the roads were absolutely terrible. So my thought was to just get home and settle in for the night. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video in the biggest winter storm in southern Wisconsin in the past 2 years. I actually truly enjoyed taking the hike and shooting some film that day. I feel like my favorite photo out of the 4 that I took is this one right here. Yeah, I just really like that photo. I also like the last one as well. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you're into landscape photography, film photography, astrophotography, consider subscribing to my channel. That's gonna do it for me. Until then, have a great week, everyone.